Who did I marry?
At least we tried, right?
Yeah, we tried.
We tried.
We'll pay you back later.
Did you win?
Yeah, I won.
Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. So this one is a little bit of a different video to what I usually film, but as you can probably tell from the title, today is our 8-year anniversary and our first wedding anniversary, which is very exciting. I currently have half my hair curled and half my hair just like all natural, so I'm about to curl the other side. So I'm going to tie this up in a little pigtail. But yeah, usually every year for our anniversary we go away. We're not really one to do like presents or anything. We just prefer to kind of like, you know, go stay somewhere for a weekend and just like make an experience, I guess. But being in lockdown, we unfortunately had to cancel our trip. So yeah, we don't really have many plans today. If anything, we might go for a tiny drive. We're allowed like 25k in our radius. Is that the right sentence? We're allowed to go 25k? Yeah. What am I doing? You can tell I like literally never curl my hair because it never works. But yeah, so we're gonna have a little picnic, go for a drive and just kind of, I don't know, try to make the most of our anniversary in lockdown. So sad. It's actually the AFL grand final today too, which I'm not really a big footy fan, but Andy's team is in the grand final. So we may be watching that later today. Do you want to watch it?
No.
You scared you're going to lose?
Hey?
Are you scared you're going to lose?
Yes. I'm terrified.
Yup. So yeah, we're just kind of chilling. I wasn't sure whether to vlog today because I don't know if we're going to do anything that interesting, but I love to look back on these memories. We were actually watching our anniversary vlogs earlier this morning, so I don't know if that's really lame of us, but I just love looking back on memes. So anyway, I'm gonna finish curling my hair and then I'll let you guys know what we get up to. I've just finished getting ready and I just got dressed. I'll show you guys my outfit. Excuse everything in the background. But I'm just wearing this jacket. It's actually from Valley Girl and I got it from a market a few years ago and never wore it. So I'm kind of obsessed. Like I don't know why it's taken me this long to wear this jacket. I've just got a black knitted jumper underneath because it is freezing today. Just blue denim jeans and then I have these blue heeled booties. Yeah, this is my outfit and I'm going to go pick Andy's now.
Oh, well, I live me. Oh shit.
What colour jeans do you like to wear though? I want you to wear a shirt. Let me prop my camera down. Maybe this shirt?
Okay.
With your black jacket. Is that in here? With your black raincoat. And do you only have one pair of jeans?
I've got a couple.
Are these the grey ones?
Yeah.
Actually, that might look cool. Yeah, I'm gonna vote this. Can
Okay.
you please wear these, sir?
I'll give it a try.
If only they could see the ankle. Like you're filming at. Here we go. All yours, buddy.
You're doing a cooking show?
Yes. Alright, so I'm just prepping some stuff for the little picnic. So I'm going to chop up some carrot sticks, cucumber sticks, and what else have we got? Cabana? Do I chop that up now?
Yep.
Yep. But other than that, we've got Maltesers, we've got Tim Tams, crackers, Pringles, the best flavour. I feel like no one would get barbecue. I feel like everyone would get plain. Or like sour cream and chive. Anyway, we've got some fresh berries, raspberries and blueberries, cheese and dip, and then we've just got a little sneaky rosé. Andy. Oh, who did I marry? I actually can't get over the fact that the weather this year, guys, on our wedding day last year, it was 33 degrees.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe. Today is 13. 12. Worse. Today is 13 degrees, raining, and we're stuck in a lockdown. So, fun times. We've got two plans for our picnic. We're either, if it stops raining, going to like set up a picnic rug and like sit outside by the beach. Otherwise, we're just gonna park Andy's car and like sit in the back of that and kind of set up a picnic. So either way, this food is being eaten, but just not exactly the way we had planned. Anyway, I need to stop blabbering on and chop up these veg, and then we're gonna get the show on the road.
So now we're back in the car because the rain kind of ruined our plans. At least we tried, right?
Yeah, we tried.
We tried. Good times.
Cheers.
Cheers.
1 year. Felt like 2 years in COVID.
It did. Anyway, we're gonna enjoy what's rest of this picnic.
What's rest?
What's
What's left?
left of this picnic. And then I think we're literally gonna drive home.
We'll take the scenic route. I have to get petrol.
Good times, good times.
As you can see, guys, it has been a couple of hours later, and by a couple I mean like 8. We literally got home at I think like 2 p.m. and then we fell asleep. So yeah, that was fun. We took little day naps until about 4, and then we kind of just chilled on the couch, watched some YouTube, and then we went and picked up some little groceries for tonight because we're gonna have a little cocktail night. Oh my god, he keeps dropping ice on the ground. But yeah, we're gonna make little cocktails because if we weren't in lockdown, we probably would have gone out for a few drinks or out for dinner or something like kind of nice. So we've taken it upon ourselves to have a little drink night at home. So we're doing a basic cocktail first, which is a fruit tingle cocktail. This is pretty much our go-to whenever we go out to drink. So we're gonna do half a shot of vodka. Oh.
Good?
Yeah. Let's do half a shot of blue curacao, or maybe like a quarter. I think it's stains.
You're not a bartender unless you spill, so.
Raspberry cordial. This is where the magic happens. Oh. Look at that. That's a shit cut.
Precisely measures substances to ensure equal distribution.
Definitely me. Even pouring these drinks, I was like, who changes the song every 30 seconds?
You. Listen to it. We'll pay you back later.
Me. Who buys dino nuggets? I feel
like you ate that.
We can choose for that one.
Always wants to play stupid card games.
Is that actually a thing? Or did you make that up? Oh. Again, me. Who is most likely to be too comfortable talking about sex?
Probably you. But I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna have a drink.
Oh. Did you win?
Yeah, I won.
I won. So Richmond won. I'm sure most people watching this vlog probably watch the AFL. I don't know. Let me know below if you actually watch the AFL or if you're...
NRL.
I don't know. Yeah, right? I feel like people that aren't Victorian are more like NRL. Like I feel like if you live in Queensland, you're more into like rugby and stuff. Anyway, let me know down below if you guys like AFL or like NRL, soccer. What's your vibe?
Basketball, badminton.
Badminton. Wow. I personally don't really care much for AFL, but Andy's team is Richmond and they just won the grand final, so good for you.
Whoa. Good for you.
I was actually going for Geelong, so I'm a little bit butthurt, and I had a little cry fest because they were all
sad.
They were all sad, and it made me sad. But anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Good way to end your 8-year anniversary.
Our 8-year anniversary.
Yeah, but like it's your day. Like
oh,
shit. Okay, I need to end out this vlog. If you guys enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up for me.
Okay, it's going crazy.
My fingers are crossed that maybe we can still go away in a couple weeks time, but I guess you guys will be first to see if we do get to go away. There will be news tomorrow, hopefully, but yeah, I hope you guys all had a wonderful day, weekend, whatever it is for you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.